What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, my friends. Today, we're going to be looking at a new strategy called the time frame alignment with the Fibonacci, looking at a top-down approach. I'm very excited to share this strategy with you guys. I think it's going to help for you that want to trade less frequently and look for that top-down confluence, which a lot of people like trading. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, let's do some shout outs. Candice, D, Dr. D, what's going on, Trading Wars Army? G-Man, Briggs, Wesley, Anthony, T. Hit me with a 1 if you guys can hear me loud and clear. And what we're going to do, we're going to step over to the futures chart, okay? And what I want to show you guys, I want to take you on a little bit of a journey here. And I just want to show you some of these things that are happening overnight, okay? And then we can start to talk about the confluence. Celine, Marcus, Briggs, what's going on? G-Man again. M, good to see you. All right, so normally here, guys, I like to start with the monthly chart, okay? And on the monthly chart, I love to look for particular candlestick patterns like outside bars and inside bars, okay? This particular outside bar, we were able to take this breakout back with the YouTube army, and it's been a great winner, right? And what you would see here, guys, on this trade at the time, hit the replay, this outside bar had a very tight range. It broke the low of April, and then it turned around, creating this hammer formation, okay? So when we think about that, and then we see the boom, 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 the breakout, right? The lower time frames are also a part of that. However, the higher time frame is kind of driving that that push, because the trap was set on the higher time frame. So there's obviously more volume. There's more money involved in a monthly candlestick. It takes more actual physical trades to create a monthly candlestick than it does a 2-minute candlestick. Hit me with the 2 if that makes sense. Okay, so from this here, we can sneak down to a daily chart, okay? We can sneak down to an hourly chart, and then we can start to analyze what was going on, okay? And I'm going to show you the trade that I have set up for this week, by the way. But anyways, so let's just go here, guys, and let's just pick a spot on this chart, okay? Obviously, if we just look at this, it's been trending, right? And it started from the monthly chart wanting to break out. Then we create this trend. See that? And what I start to notice here, guys, is as we take Fibonacci's, okay, so we can pick any point on this chart, and we can pick a Fibonacci, and we can draw it, right? So here's last week's. Let's take this example. If we go from low to high, you'll start to see that we get these retracements and extensions, okay? And then take from this anchor to this anchor, another retracement, working on an extension, okay? So essentially, that monthly breakout that's happening, it's fueled by all these pullbacks that are happening on the hourly, where people are buying the dip and continuing to rip it, okay? So when you do that approach, now we can go back to the monthly, we can go back to the weekly, and this is what caught my attention this week, okay? So the trade that we took, I'll just show you right now. So I took a Lotto play, the 455 puts on SPY into Friday, okay? And how did I come up with that analysis? Well, I did a top down, and what I'm going to do is every week I'm going to pick one top down trade that trade, track that trade, and then hopefully we have between 25 to 30 trades by the end of this year, and then we can recap them together. And I want to do Lotto options. Hit me with the 15 if that sounds like interesting to you guys. We could also do futures, but I want to do it with Lotto options, because with the Lotto, right, I can go ahead and limit my risk to whatever I put in the contract, okay? So this was the analysis that I did. So took the Fibonacci right here, guys, from the all-time high, bringing it down to the low right here, okay? And you could see that we are in this golden zone. So the golden zone is between the 50 to the 618, all right? And if you look in that zone, there was not many bearish candles at all. It was literally green, 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 a little bit of a pause, and then green. last week, we finally got this little inverted hammer pattern. Hit me with a 4 if you see that. Okay. And that inverted hammer pattern right there, that showing me that there was sellers last week. So what I did from there is I went down to the hourly chart. Okay, I'm going to remove these drawings. I went down to the hourly chart on the futures, and I saw this leg develop. So if I go from high to low, you'll see this 618 rejection. It did not make a low, but it came all the way back up into this high, and it started to form this double top pattern. Okay, so I saw the fib, and then I saw this double top. And if you look at this big short wick right here, this big wick that came in, gave me a signal that this could be a double top formation, Fibonacci rejection, and I took the puts. Okay, so that's my higher time frame analysis this week, and I really want to put a short on because I do have long-term holdings on Microsoft and other stocks. So I need to kind of have this as well in my portfolio to protect my portfolio. Hit me with the 25, if that makes sense. All right. So just want to show you guys here the call out 455 puts into Friday with SPY. And it's something that I'm going to be doing every single week. The top down analysis, looking for that one good lotto. The other thing that I'm looking for is something that's a good deal. So the puts are a good deal for me in this situation, guys. Okay, because of the fact that this was when this was rallying green, I got the puts for cheap. So let me tell you what I got the puts for a second. Log into the broker here and I'll tell you guys. So my style with trading is doing the opposite of the chart. Okay, because I always want to get a good deal. So I got the puts at $1.96. Okay, I mean, you can definitely wait for FOMC, but I'm taking this bet based on the chart. Them at $1.96 a piece. Okay. All right, guys. So we'll see how this plays out for the rest of the week. I'm super excited. I'm going to be walking you guys through. Even if I take a loss on this, it won't be a lot. It won't be a big loss because I only put in a few $100 and I got a good deal on the premiums. And just will be trying to hit it once a week. So for those of you that are interested, I will be posting that once a week. This was the play for the first week. And I'm really excited to share and track this with you guys. Lotto plays. Go ahead, guys, and just hit the subscribe and like button if you want to follow along on the journey. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you something completely different, which is a day trade concept. Okay, so when you're doing higher time frame analysis, guys, and when you're day trading, I like to keep them separate. Hit me with the 2 if that makes sense. Okay, I want to keep them separate because on the lower time frames, a lot of things can happen in between. Okay, so if you see a green bar on this weekly chart, guys, in this green bar, okay, so let's use this green bar as an example. Do you guys see this wick here? Look at this wick right here. Hit me with a 2 if you see that wick. So that wick, guys, the candle was actually down here. Okay, it was all the way down here and then it shot right back up. So that being said, you can still make money on that move to the downside. So when I day trade, right, I have no bias. I just trade the price action on the chart. So let me give you an example of today's trade. Okay, so I'm going to hit the replay right here. Okay, so the first thing is let's draw the previous day's high and low, and I'll walk you through this day trade. And remember, from a day trade perspective, I don't care if it's long or short because I'm not using the higher time frames to guide me. I'm just going to get in and out because I can scalp. Hit me with the 4 if that makes sense. Can we, we can scalp. That's the whole point of day trading. So we don't need that type of confluence because we can make a few points here and there, make a few $100 here and there, make a few $1,000 here and there and walk away. Right? Okay, so I'm going to hop into the Discord and I'm going to show you guys. So this was a part of our trigger trades. So every single night we post these. So our long was 454.80 today. I'm just going to go into the live commentary and I'll just show you guys. So our short was 452.99. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that up for you. Horizontal line. 452.99 right there. Oops. Where's my chart? Where's my line? There it is. We'll put that in red. And then our long level was 45480. So I wrote this up in the morning for everybody and getting them ready. So let's go ahead and do that. 45480 right there. And I'll put this in green. Okay. So this right here, guys, it's called the trigger trade. All right. So once it breaks above that green line, I'm going long. If it breaks below the red line, I'm going short. That's just a simple support resistance, trigger strategy, whatever you want to call it. It's just one trade. All right. So you can see we opened in the middle and I waited here until we broke. There's the break. There's the push through, guys. And then it pulled back just a little bit. And then let me fast forward. It was gone right after that. Okay. Very simple trade. I know a lot of people took this with futures. So let's go look at futures here and we can look at the points. So some people messaged me that they took this with futures. So right here, the entrance is right around here. And then going from here, guys, 20 points, let's just say 10 points. 10 points on one contract is $500. Really good. That's not bad for a day trade. And then you could see right here as well, we have the futures levels if you guys want to trade the futures. Okay. So that's day trading. I don't care, right? I really don't care about what's going on outside. I see the level, it breaks the level, I go long, either going to make money or lose money. I have a good stop loss, I have good risk to reward, and that's all I care about. Okay. And rinse and repeat. I'm really excited to bring you two different views to trading, one of a top-down analysis with lottos, as well as one with the triggers. And I really wanted to show you that. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hit me with a 10 if that all made sense. All right. Tomorrow, I have on watch Apple double inside bar pattern. This one is really ready to break out. Look at this pattern here on Apple, guys. This is actually crazy. Let's go ahead and draw this up. Look at this consolidation on Apple. And I'm looking tomorrow to hammer this one hard. Look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful over the last few days. Hit me with a 2 if you see that. So I posted the pics, the levels. I'm going to post them on the Twitter, and I already posted them on the YouTube. So make sure you're subscribed. And the last thing I want to say, guys, so I decided to do this. Two things. So I have a seminar coming up. Oops. Seminar coming up right here. Okay. August 6th from 3 to 4 p.m. If you are a Trading Wars Army member, that means if you have the green in your name, you will automatically get this seminar for free, and you're able to come and watch it live from 3 to 4 on August 6th. All you need to do is fill out the form that I posted for the Army members, okay? And if you're interested in joining the Army, I'm going to sweeten up the deal for you guys. It's $4.99 a month. All you have to do is click the join button below the video. There's a join button right there. So I'm just going to show you guys right here. So below the video, you'll see a button that says join. It's $4.99 a month. And the form is right here. So please fill in this form. Go to the membership tab, fill in this form, and you will get your link. Okay. So yeah, so the YouTube is $4.99 a month. And the another big announcement I'm going to do, guys, is every single month from now on for the YouTube Army, I'm going to give $50 back to a random member. Okay. So I've been doing well in the market, and I really want to encourage you guys to join the Army because I really think it's a lot of value. You could see I already posted the full spreadsheet tomorrow for the Army. I post swing trades, monthly breakouts, seminars, different things. So if you want to join, guys, join $4.99, and every month I'm going to give $50 back to someone. Okay. So if you subscribe for $5 a month, you have a chance to get $50 back. Okay. So that's pretty good. I think that's a good deal, guys. So I really want to encourage you guys because I really want to grow the YouTube. Twitter is not like it used to be. You guys could see Twitter is now X, so it's a lot of things going on. And I really want to just move over to YouTube and just be able to educate you guys there. Okay. Hit me with a 2 if you think that's a good idea. So there we go, guys. So Army members, you will have a chance every month to get the $50 payout. You must have PayPal or Venmo so that I can send you the money. If you don't have a PayPal or Venmo, then I could give you a free book or some free time in the Discord. But I would love to just give you cash if I can. So I hope you guys enjoy that. I hope you guys are interested. So there we go, guys. That's the lesson. Let's see how the puts play out. I'm super excited for the rest of the week. Really good day trade today, and let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it going. Tomorrow's FOMC, so be careful. As always, guys, check us out, tradingwars.com. If you're interested, you want to come trade live with us tomorrow. We go live every single day. You can sign up for the room, $49.99, or you can grab any one of our books. Books come with 69 pages, 50 charts, indicators, premium with alerts, and you get a free month in the Discord. Looking forward to seeing you guys. Let's watch Apple looking pretty crazy tomorrow. So I just want to bank as much as we can. Thanks so much, guys. Take care. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.